Hey everyone! In this video, I'm introducing an amazing course for learning PHP. If you're looking to learn PHP for web development, this course is perfect for you. In the PHP for Beginners 2021, the complete PHP MySQL PDO course, you'll learn all the essential concepts for working with PHP, MySQL, and PDO. This course will take you from beginner to pro by covering everything you need to know about PHP and how it interacts with databases, helping you become a skilled PHP developer. This course has over 127,000 students and boasts an excellent rating of 3.9, making it one of the top-rated courses. The original price of the course is about €35, but I'm offering it to you completely for free, with no payment required. Additionally, you'll receive a certificate of completion at the end of the course. If you want to take advantage of this opportunity, stay with us in this video. First, open your browser and type gotodiscounts.com in the search bar. Once the results appear, click on the valid link to be redirected to the desired website. And make sure the website address matches exactly as shown here. Once you click on the link, you will be redirected to the homepage of gotodiscounts.com. On the homepage of gotodiscounts.com, you can find the latest Udemy courses with exclusive discount coupons and take advantage of great offers. To get the special discount coupon for the course, simply click on the course link and take advantage of this amazing opportunity. When the course page opens, you'll find information including the discount and course expiration date. Please pay attention to the expiration date, and to access the discount, simply scroll down the page and click on the Go to the Discounted Course button. As you can see, I was able to get this course for 100% free through gotodiscounts.com, instead of paying €35. However, this discount is not permanent and only lasts for 4 more days, so hurry up and take advantage of this opportunity. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the exciting content coming up. Thanks for being with us, and until next time, take care and goodbye.